Today I'm going to show you how to harvest and store mulberries. We're going to be picking both white mulberries and the black variety. What we are looking at right now are the black variety that characterizes for red and ripe fruit and black ripe fruit. They are a little bit tart and very sweet. Lay flat a piece of fabric under the tree and shake it. It will release a lot of mulberries really fast, and then you're ready to collect them. Very easy. It's one of the easiest berries to pick. Very little time consuming. This is a result of only one shake, and we're gonna do many. And now transfer into a container. The mulberry trees produce a huge amount of very nice fruit, but we have to pick it very fast because the season window is not very long. So what we have to do in these couple of weeks that the mulberry tree is giving the fruit, we have to pick it all, and then there is different ways to preserving this fruit. One could be drying it in the sun or in a commercial dehydrator, or you can freeze it. Also, I'm gonna be making mulberry pickles, which are really great to accompany duck or pork or things like that. Look at this massive amount. I picked this in around 5 minutes. It's not crazy. It's around like at least 8 pounds of mulberries. They're so good and ready to be prepared. Now we're moving into the white mulberry tree. As you can see here, the ripe fruit is bright white, as these two. They start ripening in waves, so we have to pick them as they ripe. And then we put them in our container, and the harvesting way is absolutely exactly the same. You just put a piece of fabric that you don't care about, and then you shake them. Here we are, not that many, and they were a little bit harder to pick than the black ones, but still really good harvest. And this is the total harvest we did between the two varieties. Amazing. This took less than 10 minutes. It's just unbelievable how many berries we can pick in only 10 minutes. Is that a mulberry smoothie? Yeah? We have so much mulberries that I also did the smoothie. I froze some and also some popsicles for the kid. Now in the kitchen, the first thing we're gonna do is rinse them with cold water to eliminate leaves, debris, and other particles that we don't want in our mulberries. And then from the whole amount, we're gonna split them. Some is going to be dried, some is going to be frozen, and some is going to be made into a pickle, as I'm going to show you as follows. So for the pickling solution, you're going to need 1 part of vinegar, 0.075 part of sugar, and a pinch of salt. We're going to add the ingredients to each other and mix. You can use any kind of vinegar that you like and any kind of salt. I'm using here white vinegar that is organic and Himalayan salt, that is what I like. But we can use anything to our taste. Now we're gonna close it and shake it. Also, if you want less acidic, you can also boil it for a couple of minutes. Is going to reduce the level of acetic acid in the mix through evaporation. Once our pickling solution is ready, there is only one more thing to do. It is to transfer the fruit into our container, in this case a quart mason jar. We're gonna put those berries there. And finally, we proceed to pour the vinegar solution or the pickling solution on top of our fruit until we cover it. And that is the end of it, my friends. Overnight, it's going to be ready to use and it's going to store for many months. It's going to accompany very well fatty meats such pork or duck. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There is more recipes coming every week, so stay tuned.